Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make kimchi, a delicious Korean staple. First, choose about 2 to 3 pounds of fresh napa cabbage. Cut the cabbage into 2-inch pieces, then rinse them thoroughly under cold water. Next, brine the cabbage by mixing it with 1/4 cup of salt. Let it sit for approximately 2 hours, allowing the cabbage to soften and release excess water. Now, let's prepare the flavorful kimchi paste. You'll need fresh garlic, ginger, green onions, and some Korean radish. In a bowl, combine a generous amount of gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, with fish sauce and a small amount of sugar. Mix these ingredients well to form a thick, vibrant paste. Remember, you can adjust the gochugaru to your preferred spice level. After rinsing and draining your brined cabbage, it's time to combine it with the paste. Wear gloves and thoroughly mix the paste into the cabbage, ensuring every piece is coated. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar or container. Allow it to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on your desired tanginess. Once fermented, transfer your kimchi to the refrigerator. It will continue to ferment slowly and can be stored for up to 3 weeks, developing deeper flavors over time. Enjoy your homemade kimchi as a delicious side dish, or incorporate it into stir-fries, stews, or fried rice. It's incredibly versatile. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.